make you
Oh,
think.
that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. Because I was like, oh no, what's wrong with it?
Surprise.
You put that on? What?
No, just step back and look at it.
Okay. You lifted it?
I'm seeing it for the first time too.
You're so awesome.
And he
I love that guy. He's the one
he
that
fit
did
it all in one day. And they're all in on it because they knew I was trying to surprise them.
What do you think?
I love it. Oh my
All
gosh,
right,
baby, it looks
so
like
so
mine.
so
That's
tell her,
awesome.
because you'll do it so much better than me. Tell her everything you
So
like you
three
do to it.
3.5 inch lift kit. Then we maintain those steering wheels that you like. Then we put 1.5 inch spacers on them.
Like, pull the
To
wheels
give
out.
it, yeah, because if you walk back this way, like,
Makes it look tough.
yeah, it's like right at the finish, so it's like perfect.
Oh,
Yeah,
See how it like
lifted,
sticks out to the fender,
drop
it's
the
not the
diff.
inside. That's what makes it look tough.
These are my favorite tires. Like, of all time.
So that's when you want like some tougher tires and use them.
Front tint, right? We got the tint with windows tinted. And he got that logo for the rear on both sides. Yeah. It actually looks like a killer Ford.
Dude, it's tough. And it's just like, and obviously Kel, new shot.
Oh yeah, all the way around.
All the way around.
All new suspension.
All new suspension. And it's like the same ride height as my truck.
Yeah.
Like, look at it.
Oh my gosh,
Not-
that's so
It's
cool.
not sissy anymore.
Got, a little,
It
got
doesn't
that
look like a
SoCo,
mob
got that
car anymore.
SoCo sauce now.
That's right.
These were in my truck. Yeah. Nothing wrong with doing it. So you, all the way back here.
Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool.
That's good.
You remember how